In this video, I'll detail how to install screen recorder on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to record your iPhone screen, you can basically use the built-in screen recorder on your iPhone or download and install a third-party screen recorder application for your iPhone to easily record your iPhone screen. So if you download this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to install screen recorder on iPhone, all you just need to do is open the App Store on your iPhone and just search for it using the Spotlight search. Now, once you open the App Store, click on the Spotlight search at the bottom right, and here you want to search for screen recorder. Then click on the search button. Once you hit the search button, you should see varieties of screen recording application for your iPhone here, and then you have some suggestions here, including S Recorder. If you want to download S Recorder, just click on S Recorder. This is going to streamline your search history to S Recorder alone. Then here you can just search through which of the recording application you want to use. Just search through it. Then, once you can find the one you want to use, just go ahead and click on Get. Then once you tap the Get button, the application will start rolling, trying to install on your device. But before that, you'll be prompted to tap the Install button so you can type in your Apple ID password. Then done. There you go. So if you're prompted to type in your Apple ID password, go ahead and type in your Apple ID password. Otherwise, just click on the Install button to download and install the screen recorder application on your iPhone. So basically, you can do this on all screen recording application, not only on S Recorder. You can do this on screen recorder and video recorder, DU recorder, screen recorder, voice and video, and all other available screen recording application on the App Store that are free to get. However, if you don't want to use a third-party application to record your iPhone screen, so there's no need to download the screen recording application like S Recorder or DU recorder. So to do this, all you just need to do is slide down the control center on your iPhone like this. Now, you should find the recording application here called the screen recording. If this is not visible on your iOS 18 control center, just press and hold the control center, click on Add a control, and then search for screen recording. And then add it to the control center. Then you can just place wherever you want to place it like this. So when you want to record your iPhone screen, just locate the screen recording application, click and hold it. Then turn on microphone by clicking on it once. Then you should see microphone on. Then after that, tap start recording. You see? Wait for the countdown. After the countdown, the screen recording application on your iPhone will start recording your iPhone screen. So once you're done, just click on this dynamic island here and then tap stop. Then this is going to save on your iPhone Photos app or gallery. Then you can just open this, hit the back button. Then you may want to go to videos on your iPhone. So just scroll down. Go to videos here, click on it. Then you should see the recorded video. And just play it. After the countdown, the screen recording application on your iPhone start recording your iPhone screen. So you see that? So that is how you can easily record iPhone screen with or without screen recorder. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.